Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Dave with Spruce Industries here for another special Beyond the Product segment on spruceindustries.com. And I just soiled my hand. And now I've soiled this desk. That was a fake sneeze, by the way. So the question is, how am I going to properly clean and disinfect this desk so that the next person that sits here doesn't contract whatever I just shot out of my mouth? Now, the first thing to remember is cleaning and disinfecting are two totally different things. When I sneezed in my hand and I touched this table, in this little square inch right here, there might be a billion germs. When I'm using an all-purpose cleaner only, I'm only removing about 97% of it. I'm not going to sit through 97% of a movie. I'm not going to buy 97% of a car. I want all these germs gone. I want it all. So I'm going to use the two-step cleaning method, and I'm going to use a disinfectant after the fact to make sure that any pathogens, any germs, any bacteria that came flying out of my mouth is now eradicated on this table. To show you what I'm talking about, I've switched over to a high-powered electron microscope so that we can see the germs on the table. Let's take a closer look. When only using an all-purpose cleaner, you're only cleaning and killing about 97% of those germs, leaving behind this mess. In order to properly kill all of these germs, you have to use the two-step cleaning method in order to clean and disinfect. So let's clean and disinfect this desk. I'm going to first start with the Triple S Propel SC All-Purpose Cleaner. I'm going to spray down the area, and I'm going to wipe it clean with a microfiber rag. Don't forget, you should always be using gloves. The second step is to disinfect. I'm going to use the Triple S Ace 256 Neutral Disinfectant. I'm going to spray down the area, and I'm going to wait for 10 minutes. It has a 10-minute dwell time to live up to the kill claims that this particular product has. So let's come back in 10 minutes and clean this up. And time. Now that the disinfectant has stayed wet on the surface for 10 minutes, we can now wipe it up. And we can say that this desk has been properly cleaned and disinfected. It is rid of the germs and viruses. I would definitely recommend going to the Spruce Industries YouTube page or the Beyond the Products blog on spruceindustries.com to watch my video about dwell time, because it is often glossed over and it is probably the number one most important thing that you should know when you are cleaning and disinfecting. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, reach out to anybody at Spruce Industries. We're happy to help. Be safe.